Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the watch so straps slide freely. This prevents accidental taps. Once unlocked, place the watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches and make sure the band connectors face you. Press and hold one of the small release buttons. It's necessary because the slider mechanism disengages only when depressed. While holding, gently slide the strap out straight, avoid tilting. Repeat for the other side. This first step, now you align the new strap. Orient the connector so the release button faces away, which ensures the strap locks in the correct direction. Slide the rail straight into the groove with steady pressure. Do not wiggle or force it at an angle, because that can bend the pins. You'll feel and often hear a small click. This confirms the latch engaged. Once both halves click in, run a quick visual check. Make sure each side sits flush and the texture lines up with the watch body. Finish by putting the watch on and adjusting the tension for comfort. You want snug, but not tight, so sensors work. Once set, tug each strap end gently to confirm it's secure. If it moves, remove and reinsert the connector until the click is definitive. If the band won't lock, make sure the grooves are clean. Debris blocks the latch. Once done, swipe through watch faces to verify sensors and buttons function normally. If problems persist, try a different band to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.